Student, just see some picture of settlement and you will see the pattern is not same. In this picture the settlement is very close to each other, but in this picture you will see that the houses or the settlement are just far away from each other, and this kind of settlement is called as your dispersed settlement, and this is called your compact settlement. And if you see, this is another kind of settlement, and here this is another kind of settlement. Then the question will come, why there is the variation in this pattern? What are the factors behind it for the different kind of your settlement pattern? Number one is your relief feature. Relief features, you know, the types of landform. So as we know that there are plain, mountain, desert, hills, and as you know that plain land give a very suitable condition for the easy movement of the people, vehicle and transportation, so people are preferred to settle in this area. But what happened in hilly region, due to uneven topography, due to that means rough topography, what we can see, this area restrict the easy movement of the people and for the transportation, so people are not preferred to settle here. And you see, this is an example of your settlement in Uttarakhand. As you know that Uttarakhand is a hilly region, and you see the settlement pattern, and this kind of settlement is called as dispersed settlement. This is the first factor. Second factor you go just see here, this is the availability of water or the sources of water. Earlier, if you go back to our history, you will see that the important civilization like your Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamia civilization, they were rose near about the sources of water. Why sources of water? Because water fulfill the basic requirement of human being. Water is used for the daily basis, water is used for agriculture purpose, water is also used as the sources of the navigation or the transportation. And this kind of settlement is called as your wait point settlement. Then come to the third factor. What is your third factor? Third factor is the special site. Special site means which are full of natural beauty. In India, there are so many places like your Ooty, Manali, Kulu, Simla. These are full of with natural beauty. So people are come to here to explore the natural beauty, and this place is called as the tourism town. As it's a tourism town, so people are getting employment easily. Their source of earning is very good here, so people are preferred to settle here. Then come to your fourth factor. This is also another example of your that special site. Okay, this is a picture of your Simla. People are settled here. Then come to your fourth factor. Fourth factor is your climate. You know that climate is very important for the human being settlement. People are not be found to live or prefer to live the extreme type of climate like your hot, like your extreme cold. People are normally prefer to live in moderate kind of climate. So we can take an example of our India. Why India is the second populous country? Why the settlement is more here? Because of India lies in subtropical region. Due to moderate kind of climate, people are preferred to live here. But in India, if you go to desert, Rajasthan, due to extreme hot, here settlement is not that much of compact. Here the settlement is disparate type. Like this, extreme cold region is also unfavorable for the settlement. So fourth factor is over. Next come to your fifth factor. Fifth factor is your, that means environment and social setup, cultural environment and social setup. Some cities or some places of India like your Banaras, Agra, then your Jaipur, in Odisha also Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, these cities or town are very much culturally rich. They follow that heritage, that store heritage. So what happened, people are preferred to visit that place, enjoy their cuisine, enjoy their dance form. So here the settlement started. So some factors that we discuss here, if you compare all the factor, so the factor of settlements are here Number 1 is your availability of water, number 2 is your relief features, number 3 is your special site, number 4 is environmental, that aspect like your climate, and number 5 your social setup and culture. So this is the factor of your settlement. Thank you.